Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this 11-minute standing abs workout. This is the third workout in my 3-part series for 11 line abs. This is also a part of my 11-day K-pop 11 line abs challenge, free and available to all, linked in the description down below. And you'll also find an 11-day full meal plan schedule to really tone up those abs, exclusive to VIP patrons on my Patreon, also linked in the description down below. Alright, this workout has 11 exercises in total for 11 minutes. We have 40 seconds on, followed by 20 seconds off. Let's get started. First up, some cardio. We have torso twist jumps. Up next, we're really engaging those side muscles with an oblique crunch on the right side. Alright, keep your core engaged. We're moving on to the left side with those oblique crunches. Next up, you're going to stay in a half squat with some side bends, reaching as if you're trying to touch your heels. Up next, we got some more cardio. We're gonna do some crossbody elbow to knee hops.
show your shining road.
Cause we're one of a kind.
심장은 온통 never stop 너 필요로 고
시작부터 다 우리 거
사랑의 산물을 너 완벽하게 그보다 이쪽으로 다 숨겨지게 멀리 반짝인 shine 내 전개 디자인 Show me.
Up next, you're gonna curtsy with your right leg and bring it up into an oblique crunch.
머리 어깨 무릎 다 힙해 I go up, helicopter I go up, don't bring me down, down, don't bring me down We go up, we go up I like that, da-da-da-da-da-da-da 너무 쉽게 놓지 마 재미없잖아 I'm ready,
Awesome job! We're gonna switch sides now, and we are halfway done with the workout.
Like a chef, I'm a five-star Michelin 위에 정점을 찍고 눈에 보여 illusion
어려운 날 지나 I'm gonna make it in the top And I 수없는 별은 없어 노라 at the top
Alright, now we have some side bends. Try to reach down to your knees each time.
You wanna come in?
Next, you're gonna do some cross-body choppers into knee drives, starting by pulling down to the right side.
이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피할 수 없는 꽃을 키워 Fire, fire, fire 난 마치 꿈에서 꿈을 뚫듯이 날 찾아서 헤매다 길을 잃어가
Up next, you got it! We're switching the wood chopper to the left side.
Red lip now, earrings now, high heel now, handbag now,
All of my name
now,
Every time
now.
All of my name
너를 째면 좋을까 이런 나는 또 처음이라
걷잡을 수 없이 우리의 시간은 이제는 끝이 났어 오늘 다리 좋구나
Okay, time for one more cardio move. We're doing some twist jumps. guys, you made it! We're gonna do some alternating single leg lifts. Try to keep your upper body as straight as possible the whole time. Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out the rest of my 11-day, 11-line K-pop abs challenge linked in the description below, as well as the full diet and meal plan on Patreon right here, complete with full recipes and calorie counts. Alright, I'll see you guys next time!